Thank you, Anne. As you said, we go back a long way, and like others have mentioned, I tended to ignore the emails or give them very brief notice. But then earlier this year, actually in May, I was laid off from my company, which was the third layoff in my life. So I figured that maybe someone up there is actually telling me something. And my father passed away last year. He left me a little bit of money, which allowed me to retire, to be able to do this full time. I recognized that I needed help with doing the scanning and stuff. So I told my son that since he's on holiday from university, instead of always asking me for money, he needs to come and do this. And he said, "Why are you taking me to Minneapolis, Minnesota?" And particularly yesterday when it was pouring with rain. But then today, during the presentations, he was actually scanning stuff online, and he said, I would like to go to this pizza party, but I don't really want pizza tonight, so I'm going to go to the mall and scan and find the products that I found earlier today that would give me 540% ROI. So all I can say is thank you and the team. I have also been scammed in the past, so I know what many of you people have been through. This organization, just by bringing us together like this for 3 days, shows that it's a serious business and that we can all make money out of it. One of the things I did in my spare time was to become a life coach, and I'm not going to go through all the details of that, but what I can tell you is if you can imagine something, imagine that you are successful in this business, imagine it strongly enough, you will be successful. So good luck to everyone. Thank you.